Hello, in front of me I've got POCO C50. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet and tap Add to Wallet button. Now focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's go to Transport Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select the loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Ocean, Poland. Now you can scan your card or member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, you can go to Gift Card and, similar to Loyalty Card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.